Replace the sun with a black hole and see what happens. Let's go find the sun real quick and replace it with the black hole. Yeah, now the black hole is our new sun. The vegetation slowly began to fade, as if the very pulse of the planet was slipping into silence. Let's see how life on Earth is doing. Yeah, it's great out there, but not for very long. And the average temperature is beginning to fall. Let's fast forward a bit and see what happens. Wow, the Earth is completely frozen in ice due to the lack of sunlight. Yeah, now the average temperature of Earth is minus 18 degrees. Let's see if there's still life on Earth. Wow, I guess the Ice Age didn't bother them much. Yep, our solar system started to collapse. And all the planets are falling apart too. After a few years of darkness, the situation turned catastrophic. Wow, now the Earth is officially done for, with worse temperatures and little chance of life. Imagine living on Earth with worse average temperatures and no chance of survival.